Strengthening to integrate arcane energies, the Hierophant with Yuen method. Today we'll integrate energies of this arcane symbolizing deep knowledge, teaching, and sacred connection. Listen to this strengthening for 7 days before moving to the next arcane. We'll erase all triggers of weakness, pain, and discomfort during and after this strengthening. Will make you strong to be empty, mindless, neutral to integrating this arcane's energies. Removing resistance, making you strong to receive 100% with infinite potential and time. Strengthening 5 brains, integrating all combinations to receive and assimilate these energies. Empowering you to act guided by inner wisdom, physical and conscious intelligence. Let's strengthen your connection to that inner source of wisdom. We'll neutralize any doubts that may cloud your intuition. We're strengthening your mind to receive and recognize guidance from your inner wisdom, helping you make balanced decisions that are right for you and others. Evolve by connecting each point in your life's journey. Gain strength to see the flow and impact of your experiences. Find balance between tradition and progress for growth. Will boost your ability to honor nurturing traditions while embracing new ideas. I'm reinforcing your neutrality towards rigid, outdated structures. Gain strength to keep what serves you and release what doesn't. Become stronger in your openness to learning and growth. I strengthen your ability to learn from every experience and person in your life. I unlock any resistance to learning that may be limiting you. I neutralize limiting beliefs about your ability to learn new skills or gain knowledge. I strengthen your mind to absorb information with ease and clarity. I strengthen the bridge between the earthly and the spiritual. Let's strengthen your connection to the sacred, the spiritual dimension that guides you. I enhance your ability to receive divine wisdom and apply it in daily life. I neutralize any disconnect between your material and spiritual worlds. I boost your energy to be an example of wisdom and serenity to those around you. We neutralize any doubts about your role as a leader or guide. We enhance your ability to share learnings clearly and humbly, inspiring rather than imposing beliefs. Let's strengthen your capacity to create a life structure that fosters growth and evolution. We neutralize any resistance to discipline or order. We boost your ability to establish healthy routines supporting overall well-being. I reinforce your neutrality towards authority so you're not intimidated by power figures. I unblock past experiences of distrusting authority, helping you discern good guidance. I strengthen your ability to follow your own spiritual path, avoiding restrictive dogmas. I neutralize the need for external approval in your spiritual journey and boost confidence. Strengthen your mind and spirit to be open to new ideas without losing your essence or core values. I boost your ability to learn from others, respecting community wisdom, while empowering you to explore your own truths and paths. We resolve any inner conflict between expectations and your desire for self-discovery. Let's integrate all this learning and wisdom into your being. I strengthen each cell in your body, allowing this energy to settle harmoniously. I remove any inner resistance to experiencing this deep wisdom daily. I enhance your energy field to align with your purpose and the natural flow of learning and teaching. Feel all the energies we've worked on settling and flowing within you. Integrate the Hierophant's energy, also known as the High Priest or Pope. Strengthen this arcanum's integration with you and your alignment to this archetype. From top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, from inside out, outside in, back and forth at 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time, eternally. Empower moral and spiritual authority. Fortify sacred knowledge and mediation between divine and human realms. Honor all teachers and guides on your path to sacred understanding and upholding values. Respect rules and live by established principles and values. Become an intermediary between the divine and human. Gain moral authority to guide others on their spiritual journey. Act as a wise mediator and counselor to resolve conflicts and guide people. Strong in providing advice from your experience and wisdom. Strong in operating with order and stability. Strong in being trustworthy and morally upright. Strong in valuing relationships based on principles and values. Strong as a loyal partner, valuing respect and honesty. Strong in seeking lasting, purpose-driven relationships. Strong in feeling energy settling and flowing within you. Strong in the conviction of integrating the Hierophant's energies. Wisdom, guidance, structure, and spiritual connection. Strong to continue, guided by your inner wisdom's light. Will strengthen internal and external dynamics, boundaries, and all geometric vertices to 100% infinite potential all the time. Let's erase all weaknesses and anything that hinders, limits, delays, or blocks progress. To 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel? Any different?